and control intelligence. Guys, we have begun with datasets in Python. We have studied what are lists, what is tuple, what are sets. Now we are going to go with dictionaries. Guys, this is very important topic and interlinked with both the previous data types. So pay well attention and stay tuned with me.
So now we have studied what are lists. We can use list to store the values, right? We use set for the same thing. We use tuple for the same thing. But guys, now we are going to study dictionary. Dictionary is also used to store the values as well as key value pair. But guys, till now we were doing fetching of values with the help of indexing. But guys, you have to remember the index number of perfect numbers or whatever you want to fetch. You want to remember its perfect index number. But guys, if you don't want to remember it, you can use a key in dictionary. Key is a special symbol which we can assign to certain values to get the values. Now, just like dictionary, in dictionary, if you want to search the meaning of passion, we go in dictionary and search for P and it will give us the passion word according to alphabetical order. Now, if you want to do this, we want to create a dictionary. I'll tell you how to create it, but now let's take an example of a phone number or a phone book. In phone book, you type the name of the person to whom you want to contact, neither typing its phone number. So let's do one thing. Create a dictionary named phone is equal to. Here we have to use curly brackets. Curly brackets signifies dictionary. Now let's try. I'll type the phone number of Jay. Colon. I'll randomly type any digits. Okay. Again, give comma. I'll assign second value. That is, if Python has a phone number, it would be this. Okay, now let's take one more example of Java colon, and if Java would have a number, it would be this with no colon, right? Let's press enter. See, our dictionary got accepted. Now let's try one thing. Let's print the dictionary. I'll just type phone and press enter. See, I got the names as well as the numbers, that is key and value pair. It always exists in key and value pair. But guys, remember, key, that is J, Python, Java, should be unique and immutable. Okay, now let's speak about fetching the values. In list, and usually we used to use the index numbers. Now I told it's unique in dictionary. Let's do, I'll type phone, give square brackets as usual, and I want the number of Python. Let's do one thing, type Python and press enter. Oh, I have to give single inverted commas as I have used there too. I'll use single quotes and then type Python. Press enter. See, I got the phone number of Python as my phone directory is working very well. Guys, but I don't have the phone number of CS or C++. Let's try to get the phone number. Phone is equal to, is not is equal to, square brackets. I want the phone number of C++. Let's press enter. Key error. So we don't have a key named C++. So it printed an error. But guys, while searching a contact, we don't get an error, right? Let's take what it prints. Now I don't want the error, so I'll use its function or property of dictionary, that is phone dot control space, and see, we get the property named get. Let's take get, give square brackets or round brackets will work. In single quotes, let's write C++ and press enter. Guys, this time we don't have the phone number. It did not give us the phone number, but it did not printed the error too. But guys, I want the result. I want the output, that is I should get the output that no phone number found. For this I have to do one thing, but let's check what it will print. Print phone in bracket dot get in bracket single quotes C++, and let's press enter. It gives none as the output. But guys, I want some different output. Can I get it? Let's do one thing. We should get the output, right? We'll get phone dot get. If I will press C++ and did not get the output, I should get it by pressing comma, and what the output should I get? No number found. Okay, now press enter. Okay, we got the output as no number found. So we can customize our output too. But guys, I have created the dictionary, showed you everything. It has numerous properties. I know you are trying it out. But guys, now let's create a dictionary with the help of a list. You will guess it, right? But list does not have that key value pair. We have to merge the two lists to get respective keys and respective values. Let's create two lists with the names keys and values. Okay, I'll start with keys as 1, 2, 3. Okay, and press enter. See, it got accepted. And values is equal to square brackets single quote 1, single quote 2, single quote 3. Okay, now these are two lists. See, we got the lists. Now I have to merge it, right? If I will try to create a new list, I'll get the list merged, that is keys and values, but I want to create a dictionary. So let's name the dictionary as dictionary. Okay, dictionary is equal to, now I want the keys and values to be assigned as key and value pairs. So I have to use the function called dict. Dict is the name of the function which I have to use. Dict. Then one command called as zip. It will zip the files, that is zip the keys and values together. So I have to zip keys, values. I have printed it wrong. Okay, values, and then press enter. See, we got the keys and values zipped together to form a dictionary named dictionary. Let's print dictionary and press enter. See, we got the key and value pair respectively, 1 to 1, 2 to 2, and 3 to 3. Now guys, I have to add 4 to 4 in that dictionary. Can we do that? Yes, we can do that. Let's do dictionary. Let's give square brackets. If anyone types 4, I should get 4 as the dictionary. Okay, press enter, and let's again print dictionary and press enter. See, we got 4h to 4 as also the output. Now let's try to delete the element from dictionary. Let's try del space dictionary. For deleting element, we don't need to specify the value, only key will work. I'll delete 3 from it. Press enter. Now 3 is deleted. Let's check. Press enter. See, 1, 2 and 4, right? We got the element 3 deleted. Guys, that's all with the list. That's all with the dictionary, sorry. We have prepared dictionary with the help of two lists too. So if you like the video, press the thumbs up button. Thank you. That's all for.
So guys, this was all about dictionaries in Python. As you see, it was related with list tuples and sets in Python. Guys, these data types play a very important role in Python language. Now in next video we are going to see help command, that is the command which helps you to grant access to various other commands and help you learn various features of Python IDLE. This help command will increase your knowledge about Python. So stay tuned with me for further updates. Do like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video. Now here's your quiz question. Run the comment box and answer the quiz question very fast. Now I'll be seeing you on next Thursday. Stay home, stay well.